How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me, how is the white MSI and Corsair build progressing? And as you guys can see, it is done. So the white MSI PC build is completely done, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the entire build process, just like in a nice time-lapse video. But of course it wouldn't be possible without MSI and Corsair, and especially MSI sending over the B360 Gaming Arctic, and not only that fits all of the components together with that white PCB and just white design, but also they are letting me give one of these away to one of my South African subscribers. So if you want to win the B360 Gaming Arctic for yourself, follow the link in the video description and you can stand a chance to win this motherboard and just get an all cool white system, which if you guys see in the video, it really does look awesome, and it just fits everything together very nicely. So with all of that being said, again, a big thank you to MSI and Corsair for sponsoring all of the parts. But now let's get into the time-lapse build. So that's pretty much it for the time-lapse build. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment like always. Also, again, a massive thank you to MSI and Corsair for sponsoring all of the parts for the build, and MSI allowing me to give away one of the Gaming Arctic motherboards to one of the subscribers. So again, if you guys want to win the MSI B360 Gaming Arctic for yourself and build an awesome white PC, then just follow the link in the video description where you can stand a chance to win that motherboard. But now that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want me to do more builds, please drop me a like and then also comment down below so that I know you guys enjoy these videos. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.